How to convert Note to PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. A page with folders which contains notes will appear. Tap on your desired folder. Once you're here, you can view all your notes on this page. Open the note that you want to convert. After opening it, in the top right corner of the screen, locate and tap the share icon. Here, scroll down through the list of actions and tap on the print option. You will now be taken to the printer options page. Here, you can see a preview of your document as well. Again, tap on the share icon. Now, tap the Save to Files option. Choose the folder you want to save the PDF to, and then tap on Save. Your note has now been successfully converted and saved as a PDF. Following these steps, you can easily convert a note to PDF on an iPhone.